In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font in Google Sheets. This is a simple yet powerful way to personalize your spreadsheets, making them not just functional, but also visually appealing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize the font settings to suit your preferences. First, let's start by opening up Google Sheets. You can access it via a web browser by going to the Google Sheets website. If you frequently use Google applications, you're likely familiar with this process. Once you're on the Google Sheets homepage, go ahead and open a new or existing spreadsheet. This initial step sets the stage for changing the default font. Once your sheet is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see a tab labeled Format. Click on Format, and a drop-down menu will appear displaying various options related to the appearance of your sheet. This menu is your gateway to adjusting how your spreadsheet looks and can significantly impact readability and aesthetics. From the drop-down options, select Theme. Clicking on Theme brings up a sidebar on the right side of your screen. Themes are essentially preset design choices that influence the overall look of your spreadsheet, including color schemes and fonts. Next, navigate to Customize, which you'll find within the Themes sidebar. Selecting Customize allows you to dive deeper into modifying the specifics of the selected theme. This is where we can change the default settings according to our taste. Within the customization options, look for the Font section. Here you'll see a drop-down list featuring a variety of font choices. Click on the drop-down to reveal the selection. Google provides a diverse range of fonts, each offering a unique flair. Now, to change your default font, choose the font you prefer from the list. For today's demonstration, we'll choose Roboto. Simply locate Roboto in the drop-down list and click on it. By selecting Roboto, you're setting it as the new default font for your active theme. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default font in your Google Sheets document. Remember, making these small customizations can enhance how information is presented and perceived, making your data not only clearer but also more engaging for anyone who views your spreadsheets. If you ever wish to switch back or try another font, you can simply follow these steps again. Keep experimenting until you find the style that best suits your needs. Thanks for joining me on this quick guide, and happy spreadsheet customizing.